Okay, so I just wanted to go over how to solve a couple of these equations by hand. So we'll start with this first one. The equation is 4a minus 3 equals 2a plus 7. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to isolate a to one side of the equation. So what we're trying to do is we're going to take the smallest variable and we're going to get rid of it by doing the opposite. Okay, so we have 4a and we have 2a. So between those, 2a is the smallest. So that means we need to get rid of it by doing the opposite. That 2a is positive, so that means we're going to end up subtracting it. And these are just, all this information down here is just trying to push you in the right direction on the steps. Okay, so we have 2a, that means we're going to subtract 2a. That means they will cancel out. Okay, if I subtract 2a from this side, I have to subtract 2a from the other side. Okay, so now I'm just working up and down. 4a minus 2a is 2a, just like 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so 4a's, subtract 2a's, I end up with 2a. Now I'm just going to bring down all my other pieces. Okay, so that minus 3 comes down, my positive 7 comes down. Now my expression is 2a minus 3 equals 7. So now I've isolated the variable's on one side, but now I need to get rid of, or I need to move all of my numbers to the other side of the equation, or the equal sign. So I moved my 2a to the left side, that means this minus 3 needs to move to the right. Okay, so to get rid of a minus 3, I'm going to add 3. I must do the opposite. Okay, they're going to cancel out, but now I have to add 3 to the right side of the equal sign too. 7 plus 3 is 10. Now my expression is 2a equals 10. Now I'm going to get rid of the 2 with the a. That's 2 times a. So to get rid of the 2, I must do the opposite of this operation. So the opposite of multiplication would be division. So I'm going to divide by 2. Not by 2a, but by 2. So my 2's are going to cancel out. And now I have to divide by 2 on the other side, because whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's my answer for that one.